evidence. Society, I see it. Which political system will the country had explained why that system and no any other? The political system that the country will have will be presidentialism. The power had been concentrating in the president and the executive branch and judicial. The youths had been beginning to implement laws in the new nation too. We will have been helping the corruption in the new nation. I had been choosing this political system because we will thinking in a better future where the laws will have been stringing to people into my first 2 years of government. What benefits will the country had for the elderly? I will have been implementing subsidies for the elderly population, and two, we had been making the places they had been enjoying funny as parks and community dining halls that will offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner to the elderly of low income. What industries will your country try to develop? I had been developing companies that encourage agricultural production technology to export technologies, textile industry. We will have been we will have been paying better other companies. I have been helping the people to the progress economic to agro-industry companies are being promoted. We have been developing agricultural, rural sectors, and peasants will not have been leaving the nation plots our country. 4. Will you give an allowance for unemployed people? The government had been creating offers for employment in a 1 year. I had been giving to the people holiday and we has been paying work. This will generate progress and people had been building their own home back. We will have been creating subsidies for them in 2 years. What kind of immigration policy will there be? I will have been not permanent residents for foreigners and not subsidy benefits. Back there we have been giving job opportunities for those who demonstrated technical or professional titles. 6. What policies will you implement? 6. What policies will you implement in regards to education and health? I will have been applying policies in education and health as I will have been incentivizing free education and health in 3 years. We have been increasing the budget. We will giving scholarships to better students. We have been avoiding diseases to the population. I will have been developing programs of physical activity. 7. What will have happened after 3 years of having implemented those policies? After 3 years of having implemented my policies, the world will have increased drastically because the people will work in the field. They will have quality health and free education. They will have more employment, encouraging the progress for the construction and the growth of our nation. There will have been less poverty and more education, and will have more business to incentive the economic of the nation.